In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare, then you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 45 seconds to speak about the picture. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 4 and 5, and 30 seconds to respond to question 6. Imagine a real estate magazine is doing research about renting apartments. You agreed to participate in a telephone interview about renting apartments. Question 4. When was the last time you looked for a new apartment? How long did it take to find it? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Question 5. When you find a new apartment, is access to public transport important? Why? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Question 6. What are some disadvantages of living in a large apartment complex over a small apartment town? Why? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the questions begin. You will have 3 seconds to prepare. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 7 and 8 and 30 seconds to respond to question 9. Begin preparing now. I might need to help to prepare for a staff meeting, but I've heard there are some changes in schedule. Question 7. What's the topic of the session led by Ron Lee? What time does it start? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Question 8. As I know, we prepared our lunch last month. Do I need to prepare lunch this month? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Question 9. I've heard there are some valuable sessions prepared in the afternoon. If these are arranged, I hope to participate in. Are there any sessions in the afternoon? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. In this part of the test, you will be presented with a problem and asked to propose a solution. You will have 45 seconds to prepare, then you will have 60 seconds to speak. In your response, be sure to show that you recognize the problem and propose a way of dealing with the problem. Before we end today's meeting in our department store, we have one more thing to discuss. Since we are going to begin a coming renovation soon, there are some conditions to consider. During the renovation period, we have found that it won't be able to display clothes in the children's section. Since there aren't enough spaces to display all clothes, we're afraid of losing the customers. Although we have the space limitation, it's important to keep the customers satisfied with us as usual. I hope we can come up with different ways to maintain our customers regardless of the issue. If you find possible solutions, please share with us. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 30 seconds to prepare, then you will have 60 seconds to speak. Is it important for a good leader to be a good communicator? Give reasons and examples to support your opinion. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.